Good evening, viewers. Today I have come with my brother. Here is so many far from our residential area over there. You can see the. I hope you can see the near far distance is the railway station. Around 1 km over there. I trying to see by the zoom. There is a railway station of Kamarpur. Now you can see the pond, little pond made by our. You can see the sky now. Now you can see the pond. Where is the pond? Here is a pond now. Okay, you can see the radiation over there. Now you can understand. I hope the one person is walking in the paddy field. Is left and an umbrella. You can see the pond here. You can see the sun is a kind of mirror reflection in the pond's water, and you can see the beautiful sky with the rising, and the sun is getting down now over there. So many catkin is here. The whole area of this pond. Now you can see the Arubda. You can see the Arubda is a really natural man. He always used to come when he's come back his own occupation from Kolkata. He must come and take care this pond, and few years ago he start to in this pond now. Okay, viewers, today that is for today. I show you the pond the next video. Thank you very much.